Good morning, dear children. Class 6, Subject Social Science, Unit number 1 in Geography, Asia and Europe. In this unit, first session is Location, Extent and Political Division. So, in this unit, we are going to learn about location, extent and political divisions of Asia and Europe. So already we have learned in lower classes, my dear children. Yes, our landmass of the world is mainly categorized into 7 main continents. Out of the 7 continents, Asia is considered to be one of the very largest continent of the world. You have already studied in your lower classes. Yes, Asia is considered to be the largest continent because it covers more than 60% of the world land mass. So, and it also considered to be the most populous continent in the world. So, I repeat, Asia is considered to be the largest and most populous continent in the world. Asia covers 30% of world's land. I have already told you 30% of world's land is covered by Asia and nearly 60% of world population. So, it is called as the largest and most populous continent in the world. So, our continent Asia is surrounded by Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean in the east, Indian Ocean in the south and Red Sea in the west. So our continent Asia is surrounded by various number of oceans and seas. So some of them are Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean in the east, Indian Ocean in the south and Red Sea in the west. Since Asia is called as the largest continent of the world, it covers nearly 48 countries in Asia. So, more or less nearly 48 countries are found in the Asia. So, these countries are mainly categorized into several realms based on their landscape and political status. So, based on the political status and landscape, these countries are mainly classified into East Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia, Southwest Asia and Central Asia. So I repeat, my dear children, these 48 countries are mainly classified into 5 main subgroups, which is called as East Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia, Southwest Asia and Central Asia. Based on the physiographic division. So what is mean by physiography? Based on the rocks, oceans, weather. So Asia is also classified into 5 major subgroups. Okay children, Asia is mainly classified into 5 main subgroups based on the physiographic division. So physiographic divisions means it's the study about rocks, ocean, weather. So based on the rocks, oceans, weather, Asia is mainly categorized into northern lowlands, the central high mountains, the southern plateaus, the great plains, the island groups. So these are the 5 main categories in which Asia is subdivided based on the physiographic divisions. So in that first we are going to learn about the northern lowlands. So what is mean by lowland children? So in Tamil, lowland is called as a தாழ் நிலம். அதாவது ஒரு ரிவரோ ஓஷன் முடிகிற இடத்துல இருக்கிற இடத்த தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா லோ லேண்டுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் அ லோ லேண்ட். ஸோ ஹவு த சாயில் வில் பி, இட் வில் பி வெரி வெரி ஃபர்டைல் அண்ட் இட் இஸ் அ மினரல் ரிச் சின்ஸ் த சாயில்ஸ் ஆர் வெரி suitable for agriculture. So these lands are considered to be very high in population. So Asia is a land of long mountain ranges, high mountains, rivers and oceans. So Asia is consist of long mountain ranges. What is mean by mountain ranges? The continuity of several mountains is called as a mountain ranges. Okay children, so the most extensive lowland in Asia is the Siberian plain. So one very important question is the extensive lowland in Asia is the Siberian plain. So I repeat, lowland in Tamil it's called as a தாழ் நிலம். These lowland are considered to be very fertile and mineral rich. Next one we are going to learn about central highlands. So highland is otherwise called as a upland. So wherever the river originate on that area, the mountaineering peaks are considered to be the central Highlands. So in the central highlands, there are two knots are found in Asia. So knots is nothing but the convergence of mountain ranges. That means mountains enga initiate agudho, that is called as a convergence of mountain ranges. Mountains are usually formed at convergent boundaries. So that is called as a knot. So wherever the mountain ranges begins, that is called as a knot. So the knot, they are mainly classified into Pamier knot and Amarian knot. So in central highland, Himalayan mountain range is considered to be the highest mountain range in the world. I repeat Kanna, mountain range. What is mean by mountain range? The continuity of mountain or group of mountain is called as a mountain range. So Himalayan mountain range is the highest mountain range in the world. So Mount Everest is considered to be the highest peak in Asia. So next one, children. So in central highlands, we are always having the Intermonade Plateaus. That means the area between two mountains is called as a Intermonade Plateau. Okay children, the area between two mountain is called as a Intermonade mountain plateaus. So intermonade plateaus are found in these mountain ranges. They are further mainly classified into plateau of Anatolia, plateau of Iran and plateau of Tibet. I repeat my dear children, mountain range na ennadu malai thodarchi 100 or அதற்கும் மேற்பட்ட மலைகளைத்தான் தமிழ்ல மலை தொடர்ச்சின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So Englishல we are calling it as mountain range. Next one, we are going to learn about southern plateaus. So plateaus, what we are living in a land is called as a lowland or it is called as a plateau. So when comparing to the northern plateaus, southern plateaus are considered to be very low. So there are so many plateaus are mainly found in the southern plateaus, which is mainly categorized into Arabian Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Shan Plateau and Yunnan Plateau. So these southern plateaus are mainly considered to be the four important southern plateaus of Asia. Next one, we are going to look into the Great Plains. Plains is nothing but an area which are formed by the rivers are called as a plain. An area which are formed by the rivers are called as a plains. So in Asia, the plains are formed by the rivers of Asia. The plains are formed by the rivers of Asia and they are mainly categorized into West Siberian Plain, Manchurian Plain, Great Plain of China, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Mesopotamian Plain and Irrawaddy Plain. So at last we are going to learn about island groups. So we have already learned that what is an island, an area which is covered with all side of water is called as a island. So what are all the island which found in Asia? For example, Kuril, Taiwan, Singapore, Borneo, Philippines, Indonesia, Japan. So out of that we are also having Maldives, Lakshadweep, Bahrain and Persian Gulf, Sri Lanka. These are some of the island groups which are located in our continent Asia. So these group of islands, so a group of island is called as an archipelago. Okay my dear children, a group of island is called as an archipelago and the largest archipelago is considered to be the Indonesia. So what is island? An area which is covered with all sides of water is called as an island. Group of island is called as an archipelago. So here I have mentioned some of the major rivers of Asia. Go through it my dear children. So for example, Ob, Brahmaputra, Indus, Amar, Ganges, Irrawaddy. So these are some of the major rivers of Asia and their origin, outflow and length in kilometer have been mentioned detailedly. So in today's class we have learned about different types of lowlands, highlands, plateaus, islands. I hope you have all understand the class my dear children. Follow up the classes regularly my dear children. Meet you all in the next class. Stay home, stay safe, use the mask and the sanitizers properly. Sanitize your hands very often. Meet you all in the next class my dear children. Thank you all and thank you. Bye bye.